beautiful boy. Go get him, Tiger. Go get him, Tiger. He loves to bounce. You like to bounce. You okay? Do you have to spit up? What is it? Oh! Oh. God bless your pea-picking heart. Where's Grayson? Peekaboo! I see you. I see you. Ah, sunshine boy. Grayson, are you a little ray of sunshine? Are you a little ray of sunshine? Do you have tickle toes? Do you have tickle toes? All right? Too much? Where's